Hello children, this is 7th standard maths chapter name fractions and decimal in that exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 first one solve 2 minus 3 by 5. So we have to subtract the two fractions. So this is a number, natural number or whole number with the fraction. So to subtract means first we have to convert the natural number into fraction. First question to solve 2 minus 3 by 5. So here's minus symbol, so we have to subtract it, and subtraction of fraction means convert the number into fraction now. Equal 2 means in a fraction form means 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now we have to subtract the fraction. To subtract fraction means the denominator should be same value, means it is easy for calculation. So convert the denominator into like fraction. Like fraction means denominator on same value. If you have 5 means here also 5. If you have 1 means 1. So here the step is first we have to find the LCM of the denominator 195. LCM of the denominator 195. 1 as it is and 5. So in which tables it multiply? 5. 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is 1 into 5 is 5 equal LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only. Now convert the denominator, equalize the denominator to LCM value. 1 how much is 5? 1 5 is 5. Same value we have to multiply in up numerator. 5 how much is 5? 5 1s are 5. Same value we have to multiply into numerator plus half. Now 2 5s are 10. So here minus symbol, same symbol we have to write. 3 1s are 3. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. We already written that. Now 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. This is the answer, children. 7 by 5. 7 by 5, or we can convert this into mixed fraction. So 5. 5 how much are nearer to 7? 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 is greater than 7. So 5 1s are 5. 6 2 we have to add. 6 7. 7 by 5 are 1 2 by 5. Now in that second question 4 plus 7 by 8. So convert this into, this is a natural number or a whole number, just a number, and this is fraction. So convert the first number into fraction form. So 4 by 1, it means 1 is there and plus symbol, and 7 by 8. Now LCM of the, here if denominator are same means we can calculate easily directly. So equalize the denominator into same value means converting into like fraction. So LCM of 1 and 8. Find the LCM of denominator 1 and 8. So 1 as it is, then 8. 1 as it, 8 ones are 8. So LCM is 8. Now LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. 1 how much? Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. 1 how much are 8? 1 8 is 8. Same number we have to multiply half also. And 8 how much are 8? 8 1s are 8. Same number into 1 we have to write up, means numerator place. Now 4 8s are how much, children? 32 plus symbol, so we have to write plus. 7 into 1 7 ones are 7. 1 into 8 8 into 1 8. We already written that. Now 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7 is 37, 38, 39 by 8. Or this is a value, or we can convert into mixed fraction. So 8 how much are nearer to 39? 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7 means 32 plus 7. So answer is 39 by 8 or 4 7 by 8. Now in that third question, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So first number in a fraction and second number also in a fraction. Denominator different number, so convert into like fraction. Like fraction means denominator same value. So first find the LCM of the denominator 5 and 7. So LCM of the denominator 5 and 7. So which table it will multiply? 5 ones are 5, 7 as it is. Again 7 will multiply with 7 ones are 1 as it is, 7 ones are 7 means at last we have to get 1 the remainder. Now 5 into 7, 5 sevens are 35. So LCM is 35. Okay. Now equalize the denominator and LCM value equal. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now 5 how much are 35? 5 sevens are 35. Same value into that we have to write up. Same number. 7 how much are 35? 7 5s are 35. Same value we have to multiply up. Now 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. And this plus symbol we have to write center. 2 5s are 10. Now 21 plus 10 is 31 by 35. So our answer is 31 by 35 or okay 31 by 35. Now fourth question, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So first number in a first term in a fraction and second number is also a fraction number. To subtract means the denominator should be same value. So convert into same value means like fraction. First find the LCM of 11 and 15. In which table? So first try with 11. 11 ones are 11 and 15 as it is. Then 15 will multiply with 15 ones are table. 15 ones are 15. Now 11 into 15 is 165. After multiplication 11 into 15 is 165. So LCM is 165. 165. Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. 11 how much are 165? 11 15s are 165. Same number we have to multiply up also. Same 15 we have to multiply up. 15 how much 165? 15 11s are 165. Same number we have to multiply up. Now 9 15s are how much? Or 15 9s are 9 15s or 15 9s are how much children? 135 and minus symbol here. 4 11s or 11 4s are 44. Now 135 minus 44 is 91. 91 by 165. This is the answer children. The answer. Next question is fifth one. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now we have to find the value means add the fraction. To add the fraction, the denominator to add or subtract the fraction should be like fraction. Like fraction means denominator should be same value, same numbers. So convert into same value. LCM of 10, 5, 2. LCM of the denominator 10, 5 and 2. In which tables it will multiply? 2. First write 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Then try with 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. LCM means we should get remainder at last 1 1 1. 2 5s are 10. So LCM is 2 5s are 10. Now LCM of denominator 10 5 2 is how much? 10. LCM of denominator 10 5 2 is 10. Now convert the fraction into denominator into LCM value. 10 how much are 10? LCM 10 10 ones are 10. Same number we have to multiply half. 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. Same number we have to multiply half children. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Same number we have to multiply half. Okay, 10 ones are 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Equalizing denominator into LCM value. Now 7 ones are 7. And so here plus symbol, we have to write plus. 2 2s are 4. Plus symbol, so we have to write plus. 3 5s are 15. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 means 11, 20, 21, 27. 6. 26 by 10. 26 by 10. Now whether we can reduce this value, try to reduce the value, otherwise we can, till here we can stop. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 13 by 5, or again we can convert into mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fraction means first we have to write the denominator as it is. 5 how much is 13 or nearer. 5 2s are 10. Nearer we have to check. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 is greater, so nearer is 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 15. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 15. Otherwise we can divide and check, children. 5 13, divide divisor and 13. 5 2s are 10, 3 remainder. So for this 5 is denominator, quotient is 2 here, and remainder 3 as numerator. So 13 by 5 or 2 by 2, 3 by 5. Now solve here. Sixth question, 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So this is mixed fraction. Now we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how to convert improper fraction means first we have to write denominator as it is 3. First we have to write denominator as it is, and here we have to into, here we have to plus it. Here we have to multiply, here we have to add. Write this into plus in pencil, children. Now to converting mixed fraction into fraction, first write the denominator 3 and here denominator is 2. Okay, first write the denominator 3 and denominator 2, and here these two number we have to multiply, and here plus. Here these two number we have to multiply, and here plus. Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 7, 8. Okay, plus symbol. So here I write the denominator first. Now here multiply and here add it. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Whether denominator has same value? No. So first we have to convert the denominator into same value, then simplify. Now LCM of denominator 3 and 2. LCM of denominator 3 and 2. So in which table? 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 as it is. 1 2 ones are 2. So LCM is 3 2s are 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6 equal. LCM of denominator 3 and 2 is 6. 6. Now 3 how much are 6, children? 3 2s are 6. Same number we have to multiply up. 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. Same number we have to multiply up. Now 8 2s are 16. Here plus symbol, so we have to write plus. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 16 plus 21 is 37 by 6. 37 by 6, or we can convert into improper mixed fraction. 37 by 6 or mixed fraction. 6 as it is denominator. 6 how much are nearer to 37. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. Answer here we can write 37 by 6 or 6 1 by 6. Now 7th question, 8 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 by 8. Now we have to convert, this is mixed fraction, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first write the denominator 2 minus, here denominator is 8. Below the line is denominator, above the line is numerator. Down one is denominator, 8 is denominator. And here we have to multiply, and here we have to add it. Here we have to multiply, here we have to add it. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So answer is 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. converting mixed fraction into improper fraction is over. Now we have to convert this into like fraction. Like fraction means we have to find the LCM of the denominator. Means when denominator should be same value, then we can add or subtract very easily. Find the LCM of denominator 2 and 8. Try with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Again 1 ones are 1. 4 ones are 4. 2 into 4 is 2 fours are 8. So LCM is 2 fours are 8. 8. Now convert the denominator into equalize denominator into LCM value. 2 how much are 8? 2 fours are 8. Same number we have to multiply up. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are 8. Same number we have to multiply up. Okay, it's convert into now 2 fours are 8. Same number we have to multiply up. 8 ones are 8. Same number we have to same number 1 we have to multiply up. Now 17 fours are how much children? 68 minus 29 ones are 29. Now 68 minus 29 divided by 8. 68 minus 29 is 39. 39 by 8. Here we can stop the answer here till here. 39 by 8, or we can convert this into mixed fraction. 8 as it is denominator. 8 how much are nearer to 39? 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32 means 32 plus 7, 39. So answer is 39 by 8 or 47 by 8.